Hello everyone, I'm Shubham Sholanki from Texafire, and today we are going to learn about the Extruded Cut feature in Solidworks. So what is Extruded Cut feature? Extruded Cut is a feature in Solidworks which allows user to create a cut of a desired profile in part modeling. So using this feature you can control that how the cut will look and how the cut will impact the model. For example, I have created a part here on which we will be making a hole. So let's just create a hole or sketch a hole on the third pillar. I just select the face and create a hole on the top right corner and give it some dimensions. (10 mm from the vertical and 10 mm from the horizontal. Okay, so as you can see that I have created a hole on the third pillar. So what we'll do is we'll just select the features and in feature we'll go to Extruded Cut feature. By default, when I select the Extruded Cut feature, it will be in blind mode or the end condition. So the condition right now by default selected in Solidworks is blind. So it allows you to have control on two things. All the conditions have control on at least one thing, which is the direction of the condition. So in the current selected condition, the hole is being made on the rear side of the sketch. If I just want to change the direction of it, I can just simply select this reverse direction icon and the direction will be changed. The second feature in the blind condition is that I can control the depth of the cut. So say I would like to have a cut of 15 mm, I'll just enter the value of 15 mm and I can control the depth of the cut. The second feature here will be through all. If I select this option, and so what it will be doing is it will be making a cut through the entire part for the selected direction. I'll repeat, it will create a hole in the entire direction which is being selected. For example, I have selected the current direction. It is creating the hole from the sketch to the end part or the end plane or the end surface of the part. If I just change the direction, it will be making the hole in the other side of the part. If I'll just click OK, you'll be able to see that we have created hole in pillar number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, which is basically from the sketch reference plane to the end part of the model. I'll again go to the extrude feature, edit feature. Say you want to have cut through the entire part in both the direction. So there are two ways to do it. You can either select the second direction for the cut, and here you can select all the other conditions. So I'll just select through all again, and you can have it done in the both the direction. The second way to do this is I'll just go to the condition and I'll select the condition of through all both the direction. If I select this, applying one condition only, I can create hole in the both the direction of the part. Now if I select OK, you can see that the hole is created through the entire part. Okay, I'll just select this face, make it normal to my screen. Alright. Now I'll select again Extruded Cut, go to edit features and look after the other features. So I'll just uncheck the direction too. Now if I select up to next as the name says, it will create the hole up to the next coming features surface, end surface for the selected direction. So if I select the other direction, which is this right now, and if I click OK, it will create a hole up to the next profile. As you can see, we created the sketch on the third pillar, but right now the hole is only done in the second pillar. This is because the up to the next feature. If I select this, edit this feature again and select the other direction, it will just create a hole in the third pillar, as the very next surface is for the third pillar itself. All right. So if someone wants to, just make holes in this third, fourth, and fifth pillar, so what they can do? So what you can do is just again I'll go to the extrude cut feature and select the option as up to the vertex or up to the surface. Say if you want to, you have a reference surface or a vertex until where you would like to have your cut. Say I would like to have the cut till this vertex. I'll just select that vertex and the hole will be made entirely till that vertex. If I select OK now, you can see the hole is being made in only third, fourth, and the fifth pillar. I'll go to the edit feature again, and if I select up to the surface and I select this surface of the say fourth pillar and click OK, then only the hole will be made for third and the fourth pillar. It means you can select the surface until where you will like your profile to be removed. We'll go in edit feature again. And the other thing is offset from the surface. For this, I have another example being prepared. Let's just go there. I have another part model here. So what I'll do is, say I'll select this profile, press Ctrl 8 and create a circle. And I'll give some dimensions to it. Say I would like to drill a hole of 10 mm. But this time, I would like that the hole must not pass through, but it must go till the center, and then the hole must come out perpendicularly from the top side of the cube. So how we can do it? We'll go to the features, select extrude cut. So there are a few ways we can do it. First, I can just select the blind option and give it a cut of 20 mm and select OK. So we have a cut till 20 mm. So what I'll do is now I'll select the other plane, press Ctrl 8 and make a circle here. And give the dimension of 10 mm again. And if I go to the features and extruded cut it, and if I select up to next, so it will drill through and through. So if I select blind option again, so I will be able to create a channel. So we have a 90-degree hole. So for a better reference, what we'll do is we'll just do it again using the other available features, so you can have a better understanding about the features in SolidWorks. I'll just delete these features. Okay, so we have a sketch ready. What we'll do is we'll just edit sketch, give it some more dimensions. Say it is 20 mm from the vertical plane. Now what I'll do is I'll go in features, extruded cut, and the feature which I was talking about is offset from the surface. I'll just select offset from the surface. And what we'll do is I'll select the surface at the rear surface. So what I want is that the hole must be 20 mm away from the surface, or I want it 15 mm away from the surface. So what I'll do is I'll just edit this as 15 mm. So what will happen is the hole will be made 15 mm away from the rear surface. Okay, so I'll just click OK. We'll drill another hole on the top plane. I'll just select the top plane again, press Ctrl 8 and we'll make a hole here. A hole here. We'll give the dimensions. It is 10 mm, 15 mm away from the surface. But what we'll do is, because we are measuring from the center of the circle, we'll add 15 plus the radius of the circle, which will be 20 mm in total. Okay, I've done 20 mm and 20 mm from the horizontal. Okay, So we have our cut here. We'll go to features, extrude cut, and now what I can do is if I select up to next, let's see what happens. It will just right exactly come to the next surface, which is our hole itself, the profile itself. If I select OK, now you can see we have created a 90-degree hole for in our part. So this can be done for creating shafts or ducts for making wiring diagram in our part, or you can have channels for airflow or many other uses. So this is how you can create a 90-degree hole using extruded cut feature. Let's get back to our previous part and let's see the other feature, extruded cut. So the other features which are here are up to the body and mid plane. This feature are majorly used in the assembly of various parts together. So you can have a better alignment of the parts and you can cut a profile through the entire assembly. So for that you can select the up to the body feature. Okay, so thank you everyone. Please drop down a comment in the comment section on which tutorial would you like to have the next video on, and stay tuned for more. Thank you so much.